2025 was the year of surprises. Many big tech companies have laid off thousands of employees across the globe. And the wave is not looking to stop. So what you can do, what are the roles that are going to get obsolete with AI in the upcoming years, 1 or 2 years, and what are the most in-demand skills that you should be learning if you want a job or crack interviews in future. Without any further ado, let's get started with this amazing video. The first role is tester's role, and there are so many tools available in the market that can write tests, that can do manual testing or automation testing. If you use Replit, if you have seen my previous videos, would have seen all the projects that I built. The Replit agent automatically do the testing and everything on its own. And manual testing might get obsolete with time. People who would be very much excellent in using these AI tools to write tests, then they might be hireable or they might stay in the market. The second is front-end role, basic front-end roles. Today AI can build front-end, like beautiful front-end websites. You have already seen so many of my videos. I don't even touch my laptop and it builds some amazing UI platforms. And if you're someone who is just learning CSS, HTML, then you should be thinking about. If you are just learning basic React or Next.js, then you should gain more expertise, something which AI still cannot replace. Gain more expertise in your skills, or I would rather say switch your field to backend or any other field which is not replaceable in the upcoming years. Third role is something which most of the people choose when they are not able to find a job or they don't want to learn anything new, that is junior data analyst or data analyst role. See, data analysis is something AI are very powerful in doing. Like if you'll go to Microsoft Copilot, you'll find a researcher agent or an analyst agent which will do all the research and the analysis part, whatever data you'll provide to them. So that, and also drive meaningful insight out of it, so that marketing decisions can be taken or business decisions can be taken out of it. Now, the problem is the demand for data analyst is there, but it is reducing year by year. What you can do if you're learning data analysis right now, you can upskill yourself more. You can learn some mathematics, you can learn Python, you can learn SQL, you can learn machine learning and get yourself eligible for data scientist role, which is one of the most highest demanding roles in the upcoming future. Now, fourth is support engineer roles, which are mostly involved in debugging or onboarding people who are coming to a new company or fixing hardware related issues, basically the tech link of any company. They were involved in setting up things, password resets, and sometimes and mostly in taking developer issues or customer issues. And now AI can handle it at scale, at a huge volume, and that's why these support engineer roles are also reducing day by day. You would have seen already in the market there are very less support engineer roles available in the companies which used to hire them a lot in the past. So my flight gate got changed, so I have to rush to the other gate. But the fifth role I was talking about was SEO role, or search engine optimization operations role. Basically people who optimize video titles or any other content titles, keywords that are there, keyword search basically, to rank on search engines. But if you look at it today, these ChatGPT or any other tools, they you just have to write a prompt and they will pull all the web pages also there. So and they don't work on the SEO mechanism that earlier browser used to work or Google search is working today. The importance of this role is getting reduced, and in the near future this role might get obsolete also. So if you're a person who is learning SEO optimization or learning to become a SEO strategist or SEO specialist, then you might have to think your career option. So there is some issue happened here, and I guess I have to change my location again because there is someone else's flight got delayed and there are a lot of shouting happening here, so we'll quickly shift the position again. So these were the 5 roles which will not sustain the AI wave, but there are 5 more roles which are growing very fast and will be in high demand in the upcoming years. First of them is cybersecurity expert. The market has grown to $280 billion in 2025 itself. So if you're a person who is learning cybersecurity and planning to quit, then you should not, because this role is going to gain momentum a lot in the upcoming years. Second is DevOps engineer, which has grown 20% in 2025 itself. Yes, DevOps engineer still exists and AI is not able to take over it. Third is data scientist role, which is an ever growing role and is expected to grow by 28% by 2026 end. If you're someone who is learning data science and often feels demotivated because you're not able to see any front end, or you're not able to see any progress, or you're not deploying your models, it's completely fine, because your role is is around playing with data, and it is going to increase. It is going to gain momentum in the upcoming years. And you have seen in 2025 itself, it has grown so much that most of the roles, if you go on the internet today, you'll find more than 2 lakh openings around AI, data, machine learning roles already. Fourth, the evergreen role is cloud engineer role, which has grown 30% year on year. If you're learning any cloud platform, you will be in demand in the future. Big companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, these are all betting very high on cloud platforms, and with the AI boom, the demand for cloud engineer is also increasing, and that is also one of the reasons why DevOps engineer role is also going to be in demand. And the first role, you might have guessed it already, is AI engineer role, and it has seen a growth of 75% in 2025. And with the emergence of these super intelligence teams in big companies like Meta, Google, and Microsoft, AI engineer role is going to be the most demanding role in the upcoming years, and the salaries would be insane. But the problem is, how would you stand out? How will you prepare, and how will you make your resume so that it will get shortlisted? Now I'll suggest 2 tools. First is Final Round Resume Builder tool, which is an AI powered tool. AI will help you build the perfect resume for you to stand out with the upcoming job market. Whatever job roles you want to apply, you just have to provide the right context, and you should provide the right data from your experience. And the AI builder tool will do the job on its own. You can check out the tool, the link is in the description. Second tool is the mock interview tool. If you're already Second tool is the mock interview tool. If you're already preparing for interviews and still not able to gain confidence, then this particular tool will help you gain confidence. With Final Round AI mock interview tool, you will be able to schedule interviews in the same style that big tech companies hire, and you will be able to prepare according to your target company or dream company. All the link to these tools are mentioned in the caption. Make sure to use it, and do share it with your friends if you're preparing for interviews or applying currently or looking for a job right now. If you still have any more doubts, just let me know in the comments. And if you think there are any other roles which will be in demand in future, or there are roles which will get obsolete with time, make sure to comment down below. I will share my opinion. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.